Stern Wildfire SB-100, and it wasn't making any noises, but listen. You gotta love the beep boop. The problems with this board were fractured headers on both sides of the board, so I replaced those. Here we go again. And then I replaced two of these 1000 microfarad caps. I didn't have any axials or radials, I'm sorry, so I put some axials on there. Gotta get some of those. These two caps over here are both 100 microfarads, and they're non-polarized. And Stern made the concession to putting two 100s there instead of one 220. Either way is acceptable per the schematics. But this whole soundboard is ready to go back into the Stern Wildfire, and I thank you for sending it.